How the macrame cord is wrapped onto the row matters. So ideally we want the rope to be tight. So if I hold the cord, for example, in my right hand and I'm spinning the cord to the right as I wrap around my rainbow, it's going to be nice and taut like that. That is the goal. That'll give the most nice finished look. If I was wrapping it and turning it to the left, the strands are going to start to unravel and open up. A rainbow could still be wrapped in that fashion, but it's just going to have a messier look. So ideally, tight is the way to go. So when I am adding my cord onto the rope, I'm turning my hand a little bit each time to the right to maintain that nice wrap look. So if I didn't do that, so I'm wrapping again, nice. If I were to have let it open up and I'm not really paying attention to how I'm wrapping, it's going to have this like flatter look like that. And that is totally fine. Many people have no issues with it looking like that, but some are a little shocked with that look when that's not what they're going for, and they realize like the example looks a lot different than theirs. So tying to the right, or I'm sorry, turning to the right as we go is the most ideal way.